Hello, Tutor LMS users. In this video, we will walk through the updated Tutor LMS Course Importer. Now, an additional way to import courses directly from Google Sheet is being created. So now you can create courses in Tutor LMS from an Excel file or from Google Sheets. Then review everything before it goes live on your site. As you already know, Tutor LMS Course Importer plugin saves plenty of time and headaches to site owners. Instead of typing every course detail manually, you prepare your data in rows and columns on a spreadsheet. Each row can represent lesson-level information, while the course details repeat as needed. We presume you have already installed Tutor LMS and activated. Go to Tutor LMS and download the sample CSV template from the Course Importer screen if you want a ready-made column layout. Whether you use CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets, your columns should follow that structure so the importer can read each field correctly. If you use Google Sheets, remember that the sheet must be reachable by link, typically meaning anyone with the link can view, depending on how Google sharing is set on your document. Log into WordPress as an administrator. Open the Tutor LMS area in the left-hand menu. Find Course Importer and open it. Stay on the Import section. Choose File Upload if you have a file on your computer. Choose Google Sheets if your data lives online and you will paste a link. Google Sheets path. Copy the full Google Sheets URL from your browser. Paste it into the field provided. Use the action that fetches or previews the data. Move to the Preview and Insert section. Scan the table for your course titles, descriptions, categories, and other columns. If something looks wrong, fix your source file or sheet and import again. When you are satisfied with the preview, use Insert into Site to create or update the courses in Tutor LMS according to the data you imported. After a successful run, check your courses inside Tutor LMS or on the front end to confirm titles, structure, and lessons appear as expected. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.